The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 11 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain across the warned area. 1.5 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen across a large part of the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Belvidere, Marengo, Genoa, Kirkland, and Kingston. This includes the following streams and drainages: Coon Creek, Mosquito Creek, Spring Creek, and other tributaries to the Kishwaukee River, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 41 and 60. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.